farm animals. Okay, I feel like it's barely a farm. Yes, sir. Woo, look at that mullet. This is temporary. Put a real door on their coop area this weekend. The boys go in and get them. Go throw them in the pool. Go for a morning swim. So I'm moving them under here where they will permanently be, unless they start stinking up the whole area of our house, and then they will be moved back farther. We still have to secure this area. Here you go. Some mealworms. All right. Nothing bothers them like this.
Good morning, Mother, Chef, and Girl.
You okay? Okay, calm down. Oh my. Let's hope everyone's alive. Hopefully everybody crawls out. Wow. Okay, good. No, back in. That pretty much concludes our animal morning routine. Hang on, let me drive off, okay? Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Got a backup for my phone.